Ever thought about how you manage your emotions in a toxic work environment? It's a complex dance, a tug-of-war of feelings. We spend a good chunk of our days at work, and the emotional climate there can greatly influence our overall well-being. It's crucial, though not always easy, to navigate these stormy seas. Emotions can run high, stress can pile up, yet we must find a way to maintain our emotional equilibrium. The challenge to maintain emotional balance in a hostile work environment is real, but not impossible to overcome. Taking care of yourself first is not selfish, it's necessary. In the face of a toxic work environment, your self-care is your shield. It's about nourishing your body with regular exercise, feeding it healthy meals, and ensuring you get enough sleep. These aren't luxuries, they're necessities. They boost your resilience, helping you navigate the stormy seas of negativity. They empower you to manage your emotions more effectively, so make them non-negotiable parts of your routine. Remember, your well-being is a priority, not an option. How you view your situation can change the way you react to it. Imagine this. You're not just stuck in a tough job. You're in a crucible, a place where you can forge your resilience, develop your emotional intelligence. It's not about the obstacles. It's about the opportunities hidden within them. The power lies in your perspective. See the challenges as stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. It's a shift in thinking, a new frame of mind. Shifting your perspective can be the key to maintaining emotional balance. Standing up for yourself doesn't mean you're rude. In a toxic work environment, assertiveness is your shield. It's about clear, effective communication. Speak your truth, but with respect. Remember, your voice matters. Assertiveness is not aggression. It's a way of expressing your rights and needs. So what can you do to manage your emotions in a toxic work environment? Let's recap. Prioritize self-care, shift your perspective, and master the art of assertiveness. Remember, you have the power to manage your emotions and thrive, even in a toxic work environment.